After cooking chicken like this, I don't do it any other way. I have here 800 grams of chicken leg, boneless and cut. After placing them in this bowl, I will add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, and then 2 egg whites. What chicken recipe is the most popular in your home? I would love to know your recipe. Now I will add a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a cup of cornstarch, then black pepper to taste, and we will mix until all the ingredients are coated with the chicken. Once that's done, we will set it aside and let it marinate for 30 minutes. After this time, in a pan with hot oil, we will fry the chicken pieces until they are golden brown. This recipe turns out incredibly delicious. Make it at home and then come back here to tell me what you thought. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. We can now take our chicken out of the pan and set it aside. Now, in a pan, I will add 2 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a cup of water, black pepper to taste, chili flakes to taste, 3 cloves of crushed garlic, and finally, we will mix well until it starts to boil. I will add 2 tablespoons of ketchup and continue stirring until it dissolves into the sauce. Look at how beautiful the sauce is becoming. At this point, we can return the chicken to the pan and mix until all the chicken pieces are coated with this sauce. Look at how wonderful this recipe is, folks! And to give it a special touch, chive to taste, I will add sesame to taste, and just serve this delight. I hope you enjoyed it. See you later.